So I'll stand nearby a concave mirror. What is the mirror I picked up? I picked up a concave mirror. So what is this? This is a so the magnification what we are discussing is linear or transverse or lateral magnification, it is called as. So I kept in some extended object, a real object. I kept an extended object of height HO. This will be OE. No, if object is kept here, so the incident rays, one incident ray will go and strike the pole. It should get reflected symmetrically. So here we'll get it reflected ray. Similarly, I'll send another incident ray. Both will intersect here. This will be the position of the image. So the image distance will be pi, and this will be the height of the image. Now, what is the magnification? Magnification is defined as height of the image. It's a ratio, like a linear magnification we are discussing. Height of image by height of the object. Okay, this HO by HI. So what we write it as, this will be HO by HI, and all the directions towards right, it should be positive, and upward, it should be positive. This is a convention because this is a principal axis. In any distances measured above principal axis should be positive. Then any distance measured in the direction of incident ray should be positive, and all the distance I should measure from the pole here. So how I measure height of the image plus HO, like a so magnification, the symbol will be small m. Then height of the object will be plus HO. Height of the image will be HI. Okay, let's take help of triangle. From triangle OAP, also like a AOP and PIB. Tan theta, looking at the triangle AOP, tan theta will be HO by U. Or so like let me write symbol first. Will be OA by PO. I am asking you to look at this triangle. AOP. This is a triangle, is there? Tan theta opposite by adjacent. What's adjacent? Adjacent is PO. Opposite is AO. Or say OA. Similarly, looking at the triangle PIB. Look at here. PIB. You have a right angle triangle. This will be opposite. This will be adjacent. Then it should be equal to tan theta should be equal to IB by PI. Say, well, now you can ask questions. So why these angles are equal? From laws of reflection, because this principal axis will become like a normal. So angle of incidence should be equal to angle of reflection. Getting the idea here? Angle of incidence must be equal to angle of reflection, because this principal axis will become normal at pole. Then equating these two, so OA PO equal to IB by PI. What is OA from the OA and PO? So this symbols is what? First of all, OA, I'll write it like this: OA by IB. IB by OA will write it. PI by PO. What is IB? IB should be equal to minus HI. What is OA? Plus HO. Already I defined it. Then what is PI? PI should be the image distance minus V. I'll write one more step here. What is PI? PI minus V. PO minus U. What is HI by HO? HI by HO is what we should call it as magnification. So finally, what is the expression for magnification? We are getting M equal to okay, no. So this is here we should not take sign. I'm just making correction. So this should be equal to minus of M. Just I'll. There's a basic definition, no? Now, finally, what is the magnification formula? Will end up which is equal to minus of V by U. This is called like a linear magnification, small m. Don't write capital M. Capital M is for angular magnification. Small m is what has to be taken. This I just changed it. It's only definition, no? Magnification what? Height of image by height of object. So don't write any sign here. Okay, now what happened? How you measure IB? IB should be opposite to the vertically down, so it should be negative. What about OA? OA should be vertically up, positive. So IB will become minus HI. This will become plus HO. The distances measured above axis positive, below the axis should be negative. So therefore, this negative sign has come. And the distance measured from the pole, okay, both U and V are opposite incident ray. So therefore, it should be negative. So this is the expression for the linear, transverse, or lateral magnification, what you call. Fine. So what is the expression for magnification? I'll write the final formula. M equal to minus V by U. So this will help us a lot. What do you mean by negative sign? If you get magnification negative, then the image will be inverted. If you get M, say like a magnitude greater than 1, it will be magnified. If M less than 1, it will be diminished. So what is the interpretation of sign? M greater than 1. Image is magnified. M less than 1. Image is diminished. Then what do you mean by M negative? Image is inverted. M positive. Okay, looking at the signs, we are going to interpret and substitute V and U with sign. Okay, this is about the linear magnifications. I'm going to take